They're on gate. They're off. All dispatched to a good start. Out quickly from between horses, Charm Life, far outside. Monroe County flashing speed. Splitting horses there was Clementine Dream. Dewey Color on the line on the scene on the outside, fourth. Fifth is Little Swan Pond, then Fashion Creditor. And bolting to the outside, a misstep there by Monroe County as they reach the top of the stretch the first time. And Charmed Life out on top by 3 lengths over Clementine Dream, moving up 1 spot to be third. Dewey Color on the line. Lily Swan Pond is fourth, 6 lengths for this freewheeling leader. Then we drop back 2 to Fashion Creditor, strung out over a dozen lengths now. Length and a half back to Somebody Oz, 4 clear of Zooming. That is a gap of 2 more to Bingo Queen. They go an opening quarter mile, timed in 27 and 4. Gap of 3.5 to Kelsey's Keepsake, and Monroe County is the trailer, 16 lengths from the lead. Strung out as they move towards the half mile. In pursuit here of Charmed Life, and Brian Sears out there by 3.5 lengths over Clementine Dream. Then Dewey Color on the line is in third, a gap of 2 more to Lily Swan Pond fourth. They went a half mile in a solid 55 and 4, 28 second in the second quarter. Trotting in fifth, Jeff Gregory and Fashion Creditor from 7 lengths out. Sixth is Somebody Oz, 3 lengths back. Seventh is Zooming, 2 lengths back. Eighth at the top of the stretch the first time. That is Bingo Queen. Kelsey's Keepsake, the Invader, is about 12 lengths from the lead and 3 lengths last to Monroe County, just outside 3/4 in Charmed Life. But the field takes close order now behind this favorite. 3/4 in 126. Charmed Life now pulling the pocket was Clementine Dream. Down to the inside, shooting the gap and saving ground is Lily Swan Pond. Off stride went the favorite, Charmed Life. Charmed Life off stride, so the complexion entirely changes now. So it's Clementine Dream who comes away with the lead. Letting it by 2.5 on Lily Swan Pond. Dewey Color on the line is third. Under the whip. Outside fourth is Fashion Creditor. Fifth toward the inside, Somebody Oz. And then comes on the outside, Fashion Creditor. And on the inside, a bit farther back to Zooming. And on the outside, as they passed that mile marker, was Bingo Queen. The mile was up in 1:55 and 2. They're on the final turn, and the top 2 have it to themselves, Clementine Dream and Lily Swan Pond. 6 lengths back toward the inside of Dewey Color on the line, third. Into the stretch, Clementine Dream and Lily Swan Pond. Lily Swan Pond on the outside, up to grab the lead from Clementine Dream in the deep stretch. Lily Swan Pond going on to win it at 7-1. Clementine Dream second, busting through between horses to be third. That was Somebody Oz, and then came Zooming in 2.